Hanging ribs in the barrel house cooker produces awesome tasting fall off the bone ribs every time and without much effort. For best results, fill the charcoal basket to the top and light the cooker according to our instructions. Watch our how to light video for more details. Remove the membrane by lifting it with a knife and pulling it with a paper towel. Then liberally season the ribs with your favorite barbecue rub. Insert a hook 3 or 4 ribs down. If needed or desired for additional security, insert a second hook another 3 or 4 ribs down. Hang the ribs in the cooker. Our 14-inch models hold up to 6 racks, while our 18-inch models hold up to 8 racks of ribs. As the cook settles in, the top thermometer should read around 250 degrees. The meat will be cooking hotter, which is perfect for hot and fast cooking. If you plan on saucing the ribs, we recommend removing them toward the end, lightly saucing, and then replacing them back in the cooker for about 15 minutes. 3 racks of ribs typically take 3 to 4 hours. They're usually ready when the bones stick out and the meat pulls away when the bone is tugged. Once they're finished cooking, take them out, cut them up, and enjoy. They'll be tender and juicy with tons of flavor.